Feeling frustrated about your Xiaomi Mi G1 that won't turn on and won't charge? Don't worry, look at what we've done to solve customers' problems. Our customer brought us Xiaomi Mi G1, which would not turn on, could not take charges, and couldn't go to home bin. We suspected the battery might be problematic, so we investigated further and tried a new battery. Look at this, the robot runs well, so we tell the customer that the problem is a faulty battery and it needs to be replaced. As the robot is quite old, we see that its efficiency has decreased, so we recommend a deep cleaning service to restore the robot's performance. When the customer approves, we begin servicing and repairing it. Now, it works perfectly and performs well. Need help with your robot vacuum? Contact us today.